Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV. Nneka TV.
Anything, I don't want anything concerning anything. Me waiting me I get be this. All these things now scrap.
How much? Waiting be this. 1,002. Better get her from this place. You know sweaty one bag. You know sweaty one bag.
Me they always
in the work.
Burkina, me they always buy condemn. Kai,
No be condemn be this
Kai,
thing now.
Kai,
See I mean they work.
Kai,
Any of the socket.
Kai, me everything na condemn. Me everything na condemn. If you no go buy am, Kai, me everything na condemn.
They go. I go see my man say this thing, 1,002 for waiting happen. Imagine this useless aboki o. See things where they work perfect for my house. They say man sell am 1,002. Which kind of rubbish aboki be this? Hey. Eh?
Riam.
How you dey, my brother?
Wait, don't tell me sir, this estate they stay. Now here they stay.
Well, yeah, they still frustration.
This is my house now.
Frustration.
That's my house now. No see now here they stay. What's happen now? Why bring all this thing out?
My brother, you not understand. Why have you been frustrating me? Why have you been making life so difficult for me? Am I the first man that married?
You know what to do. What month are we into? Today is what? This is December. And you just want me to just stay and be looking when this is a season of celebration.
So what do you want?
I don't care. I don't want to know. What I want is money.
So as I'm talking, what do you want me to do? Should I go and thief? Should I kill myself?
You can thief for what I care. You can go and thief. You can sell whatsoever you feel can bring money. Do it. Sell it. I need money. I want to look at me now.
Because
my friends have already started buying their December stuff in their house.
You don't understand. I'm battling a lot. I'm going through a lot. I won't sell them. Look at VC money buy rice for Christmas.
Don't say all these things just like that. Come on, it don't make sense now. Tell you say me come, me near me, make her the show you way, make the cash out now.
You know, give me your number. You tell me, see, last time we met for bus stop, you know, give me your number.
Even like this, I won't go change some dollars like this. So. Yes now, look at, I don't know, but I just show you some love. I just want to go change this thing now. I'll take this thing in, you know. I go say this is your, no they say your properties, no make sense. Just go change that one, just use and be okay, understand? Don't make sense now.
Thank you so much, my best friend.
That's my house, you can come anytime you want. Just come, let us show you some things.